In Windows 10 and 11, avoiding common mistakes is important for maintaining computer security, data safety, and overall efficiency. In this video, we will explore 10 common Windows mistakes and how you can avoid them. Backing up files in Windows is important to prevent data loss from hardware failure, malware, accidental deletion, or theft by creating a safe copy of your important data. Regular backups ensure you can quickly restore your files in case your hard drive fails, malware corrupts them, or your computer gets stolen. To back up your files, you can use a file storage service, like OneDrive. Windows 10 and 11 come with a built-in Windows backup tool, where you can choose the folders you want to back up, including documents and pictures. Running security software on Windows is important for detecting and removing malware like viruses and ransomware, which can steal, encrypt, or corrupt your data. Windows includes the built-in Microsoft Defender antivirus, which offers a line of defense against these threats. Ensuring that real-time protection is always turned on can help block malware before it causes harm. You should also run a regular scan once a week to detect any malware that real-time protection might have missed. Each program that launches at startup uses system resources, increasing the time it takes for your computer to become fully functional after being turned on. Disabling them frees up these resources, making your computer more responsive. To disable startup programs, go to Task Manager and navigate to the Startup tab. You can then right-click and disable any unnecessary programs that you don't use. You should leave essential programs, like your antivirus software, enabled. Clearing unneeded files in Windows improves system speed by freeing up disk space and reducing the load on the system. A cluttered hard drive with many temporary and junk files can slow down your computer. To free up disk space, you can use the Automatic Storage Sense or the Manual Disk Cleanup utility. Storage Sense automatically deletes temporary files, recycle bin contents, and more. You can configure how often you want to run it and if you want files in your recycle bin or downloads folder to be deleted if they've not been opened for a certain period of time. With the Disk Cleanup utility, you can remove temporary files, old Windows Update files, and other unneeded data. You can select the files you want to delete and click on Clean Up System Files. Windows updates often include security fixes and new features. While updates can be disruptive, they're important for keeping your system secure and stable. Updates on Windows are automatically downloaded and installed, but you can manually check for updates in the Settings app. Updates can be paused, and you can even permanently disable them by making a few registry edits, but we wouldn't recommend this. You will miss out on important security patches, bug fixes, and performance improvements, making your computer more vulnerable to malware. Developers release updates to fix bugs, security vulnerabilities, and glitches, which can improve app performance and stability. Updates also provide access to the latest features, keeping your apps current and ensuring they can function correctly across different platforms. The easiest way to ensure your apps are up to date is to enable automatic updates for apps you've installed from the Microsoft Store. Click on your profile picture and select Settings from the menu. Then, find the App Updates option and ensure the switch is toggled on. For apps outside the Microsoft Store, you will usually have to manually update them, and the update process varies depending on the app. Each program uses a certain amount of memory and CPU. Opening too many programs at once slows down a computer because it can use up all the available memory and put a heavier demand on the processor, leaving fewer resources for other tasks and possibly leading to unresponsiveness or crashes. To improve performance, close programs you're not using and limit the number of browser tabs open at once. If you often experience slowdowns, your computer might not have enough memory or a powerful enough processor to handle multiple applications efficiently. Unused programs take up storage space and can slow down your computer's performance by running in the background, even if they're not actively used. Regularly uninstalling any programs you don't use helps declutter your system and improve performance. To uninstall programs, go to Apps and Features in Settings. You will then see a list of programs installed on your computer. Click on the program and select Uninstall. You should then see a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to uninstall the program. Click on Yes, and it will begin to uninstall. Over time, your computer's memory can accumulate temporary files and background processes, slowing down your system. A restart clears these, giving your computer a fresh start and better performance. Restarting also ensures that important software and security updates are fully applied, fixing minor bugs and glitches. You should aim to restart your computer at least once a week. While default settings are suitable for some users, many users benefit from adjusting certain default settings for better performance, security, and privacy. Not all users are aware of the Windows settings they can change. If you use the default settings, you should take a look at some of them, as you might see something you want to change. For example, Windows includes various privacy and advertising settings by default, which may collect more data than you're comfortable with. You should review and disable options that you're not comfortable with in the settings menu. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.